Well, that's a mouthful.
C-Rad.
Greetings and salivations, everyone, and welcome to another Critique Corner on C-Rad. I'm Krista, and this is my little corner of our channel where I do reviews and things and talk about pretty much whatever I think is totally rad. So if you like this video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. So today I wanted to give you a quick review on something that I won in the Facebook group LittleGreenJellyBeanbodies and Friends by CSF. Well, that's a mouthful. If you're not familiar with them, they make full bodies for the Mattel The Child, similar to the one from Roseanne's Boutique that I got and did on the how-to video. And if you missed that video, I'm going to put the link to it right here for you, and I'll put the link in the description box so you can watch it when you're done with this one. But I did want to show you really quick my little finished guy from that video. He didn't have a name at the time, so I wanted everyone to meet Fisher. Isn't he adorable? Oh, I love him so much. Alright, Mr. Fisher, have a seat and you can hang out with me for the video along with your brothers and sisters. Unlike Roseanne's Boutique bodies, the bodies from Little Green Jelly Beans come stuffed, and they do have the zip ties, which Roseanne's had also. But the only difference is Roseanne's you have to stuff yourself. These come totally stuffed already. If you don't want to commit to completely redoing your doll, they have these awesome easy install legs. Look at how cute they are. Usually these legs from Little Green Jelly Beans come in a standard green Baby Yoda color, but these are the ones that I won in the Facebook group. So I got these awesome super special Star Wars ones. It's got Big Yoda on the feeties there, says Star Wars on it, has all kinds of characters. These are very well made, and you can tell a lot of love and care went into making these handmade pants. The only thing I'm not super crazy about is the waist is not stretchy. They're made out of 100% cotton, and there's no give to them at all. And that kind of had me a little bit worried about if they'd stay on the Baby Yoda body or if they'd fall off really easy. But let me grab Izzy and show you just how they fit. I'm going to use Izzy for this because he's my only Baby Yoda that isn't in clothes already, so I figured it'd just be easy to show you on him. Now the pants, we're going to have to squeeze them to get them in there. They're not quite as wide as the baby, but the stuffing and the beans in this one squish really easy, so it is a little bit easy to get them on, but you do have to work it a little bit. So let me... The more times you do this, the easier it gets, because this is about the 4th time I've put the pants on him since I've gotten them, and they're going on really easy this time. And here he is. And they're really cute. My favorite part about them is how they help your baby sit up. He's not going to do it here because I'm holding him and I don't have my table here right now, but that's okay. I'll put a picture of him sitting up in my Facebook group, Baby Yoda Territory, so come on, join over there and see how little Mr. Izzy looks sitting in his feet. So Little Green Jelly Bean Bodies by CSF sells the bodies for about $60 to $70, and then the little pants like this run about $30 to $40. I had mentioned they're 100% cotton. The bodies and the legs are filled with polyfill only. There are no beads or beans in them. And the material she does wash in Tide Free and Gentle before she even takes the scissors to them for cutting them out for making the bodies and legs. So you know everything's washed and clean. If you want to purchase some, head on over to Etsy or the Facebook page. I'll put both links in the comments below. They also have an Instagram and a TikTok. I'll put those links down there for you as well. Now, personally, I prefer these shorter legs, but these are great and a lot of people love them, especially if you're going to put larger baby clothes on them. That gives you a little bit of play with the length there. But all in all, I think these are really cute legs and a great option if you want an easy add to your Baby Yoda doll. I can't give an opinion on the full body since I only have the legs, but maybe in the future, if the budget allows, I'll get one and do a review on that too. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Well, Izzy, there's only one thing left to say, right, little man? We'll see you later.